Okay, growing an aloe vera is not really one of my favorite because they're very sharp, and every time I try to plant them, I keep getting cut. But it's one of the plants that is easy to grow, and they're also good as a medicinal herb, or like to clean uh, cut. So but I've never used it for that. So recently I've learned that you can actually dice aloe vera, soak them in water, and water your orchids with it, or you can also use it as a water cleaner for your orchids leaves. They like it. So that's what I'm doing right now. We're potting a whole bunch of aloe vera for the purpose of growing them for my orchids. Thanks for watching.